The WA opposition wants a new date and a plan for reopening to restore calm.
It is unacceptable for the Premier to have announced the delay in the reopening and left the community in limbo without understanding exactly what we're all working towards.
It is simply not good enough to see the under-resourcing and lack of planning in response to COVID across our health system.
But when the Federal Health Minister was asked about the decision to cancel, he didn't go on the attack.
Many families will be disappointed. Their ability to meet loved ones, their ability to see beautiful young babies or to be present for weddings, that's all been deferred. It is a matter for Western Australia, and so we recognise that that's a decision for the Western Australian government.
While there has been strong criticism, those supporting the decision to delay have largely been drowned out, including the Australian Hotels Association, the Australian Nursing Federation and educators.
We've had an increasing level of anxiety, I think, as people have been observing what's occurring in the eastern states.
The McGowan government says setting a date now is unrealistic. The opposition parties agree with the government that a higher vaccination rate, including among children, is the key to opening. The federal government's increasing access across Australia.
By the end of next week, we will have more vaccinations in the field than there are children 5 to 11.
There are 7 new COVID cases in Perth and 2 of them haven't been linked to previous cases. This comes on top of other mystery cases, fueling a belief that there are people in the community with Omicron and they don't know it. WA Health has put out a specific warning, following on from the minister's statements during the week. Anyone in Perth, Peel and the southwest experiencing symptoms should get tested immediately and isolate until they get a negative result. This applies to anyone symptomatic, even if you have not visited a listed exposure site. There are more exposure sites in Perth and there's a growing number in the southwest of the state. Those who attended sites in Yallingup, Williabrup, Quindalup, Dunsborough and Margaret River have been asked to get tested immediately. David Webber, ABC News.